Ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ke yeng Dorbar Tauan ke Jylla Meghalaya kan sedang nadu ke khanrio terik hadu ke arpuhinyo terik rempang jong uni ubanai. Haka jingkren berkinong thok kubor ulampang ke yeng Dorbar Tauan ke Jylla u Thomas E Sangma ula pentip ba ke Business Advisory Committee kadai ke baladap ban ai jingbit na ke benta kita rek halor ke ni ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka. Ula ong ba ha ki Phra sngi long tre, san sngi ansya banyak keren halor kimat bayade bat ke sorkar, bat lai sngi pat kimat bala banwanra da ki MLA Shimet. Kayeng kan sakhi halor ka jingkeren jong ulat ha ka siningkong, bat halor ka mang pisa na ka banta usnam arhajar arpusan, banwanra da menteri rangba ka Jylla, kan urlong ha ka arpui terik urempang. Nakalyang ulampang ulapan pauru ba kani ka jingkhot kloy ya ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka kadai nakadaw ka jingkerki namar bakan sadan ke election Lok Sabha.
Which will be Business Advisory Committee meeting for to discuss the calendar of the budget session, incoming budget session, which will, as you all know, which will start from 16th of February. So this time we have proposed to have 3 private members business, 3 days private members business and 5 days of government business. So total it will be 8 working days, which will commence from 16th February and will end on 27th of February. You wanted details?
Yes.
The first day of 16th February will be the address by the governor. Then there's some government businesses, introductions of bills, laying of ordinances, orders, presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17th and 18th is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is government business again. There will be a debate on governor's address the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members business will start. Then on 21st there will be Chief Minister's reply to governor's address, and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands, and introduction consideration on passing of Meghalaya appropriation bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members business. And the last day on 27th, the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place, and then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill, considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation. In so many years, this is the first time we are going beyond 7 working days. We have gone 8 days. We don't know, because we are also apprehensive of the general elections may be announced. So we want to finish the full budget. The elections, to the parliaments are announced.